Hey guys, in this video I will teach you and show you how to use coupon code on Pictory and how to get discount on Pictory.AI. And before I start, don't forget hit the like buttons, likes are super important for me. Okay guys, first of all you need to have a free account on Pictory. If you don't have it, you can click the sign up link which is in the description and create an account on Pictory. Once you will create an account, then you need to click an upgrade button in the top right corner. Click this button and you will be moved to this page, and first of all you need to choose the option monthly or yearly. For example, in this case I'll show you monthly, and I'll show you how to use the coupon code on premium version. So let's click the buy now button on premium version, and we will be moved to this page, and here's the place where we should enter the coupon code. So coupon code is in the description. Just copy the coupon code and paste it here. Once you will enter the code, you need to click the apply button right here. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see guys, coupon code is applied and we have got a great discount here. So we will save $9.40 and we will pay only $37.60. So we have got 20% discount on Pictory's premium plan guys. So you just need to click the proceed button and you need to finish the payment process. That's all. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video.